In just 2 minutes, we've created something amazing, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Are you interested in learning about a free AI art generator that can produce stunning pieces of art just by feeding it the right prompts? This tool is incredibly easy to use and is completely free. With just a few basic instructions, you will be able to create beautiful art pieces on your own by the end of this video. To access this tool, the easiest way is through Discord. If you don't have it installed already, you can download it from discord.com. Discord is like WhatsApp for communities. Once you have it set up, you can join the Midjourney server to use this tool. It's super simple. Just go to discord.gg/Midjourney to join the Midjourney Discord server. Then go to one of the newbie channels, type Imagine. This will prompt the tool to generate an image based on the keywords you provide. To get the best results, type in --V4 to tell it to use version 4 of Midjourney, and then --AR32 to choose the desired aspect ratio. Then hit enter. You will get 4 options to choose from, and you can upscale any of them to full resolution. Use V to create 4 variations of that image, or you could use U to upscale an image. You can generate up to 25 images for free, after which it costs $10 per month to generate 200 images. This subscription also allows you to generate images in private mode with a personal Midjourney bot. Once you create an image, you can save it by clicking on the image, open in browser, and then right-click to save as. It's as easy as that. If you're new to AI, follow my channel as I will be uploading tutorials related to tech and AI.